How to mute notifications on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and as you might know, you can mute the Instagram notifications by going to your settings and then click on notifications, and here you will find some types of notifications. Just click on any one of them and you can turn them off one by one. However, there's an easy workaround that will allow you to turn off all of the notifications at once, which is once you're here, click on any options, it doesn't matter, and then scroll all the way down and click on additional option in system settings. You will be redirected to the Instagram notification section on your mobile phone, which you can also access by going to your settings and then scroll down to apps and then search for Instagram, and then from the privacy section click on notifications. You will land on the same page from which you will be able to just turn off all of the notifications at once, or you can turn off the notifications depending on what you want. Say for example, you want to leave some on and some off for, say for example, likes, the comments, etc. But for the sake of this video, we will turn them all off to mute all of the Instagram notifications at once. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off and disable the Instagram notifications on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.